Alright, let's dive into the 2026 Chevy S10 SS, a name that brings serious nostalgia but now packs it into a sharp, modern package for today's roads. Chevy's decision to revive the S10, especially in this SS performance trim, is a bold move and honestly, it pays off big time. If you're into compact trucks with attitude, muscle, and daily driving comfort, this one might just hit the sweet spot. From the outside, the S10 SS is dripping with throwback vibes, but Chevy didn't overdo it. It's still modern, with sharp LED headlights, a blacked-out front grille with a bold Chevy badge, aggressive body lines, and a sportier stance than the standard S10. The SS gets unique front and rear bumpers, black accents, and those 20-inch alloy wheels that scream, "Don't mess with me." Even the hood gets subtle bulges, kind of a wink at the muscle car world. There's a nostalgic nod to the original S10 SS from the 90s, but with a 2026 twist. You get optional racing stripes and a few limited edition colors, like Inferno Red and Steel Blue Metallic, that just look wicked under sunlight. Now, let's talk about the fun part, what's under the hood. Chevy dropped in a 2.7L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but this isn't your average eco-focused motor. This one's tuned for performance and delivers around 325 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough for a small pickup, and when you combine that with a sport-tuned suspension and a slightly lowered ride height, you're looking at a truck that actually handles like a sports sedan. 0 to 60. You're in the low 6s, possibly high 5s depending on conditions, and for a compact pickup, that's crazy good. Chevy also gave the S10 SS a dual exhaust system with a sport-tuned note. It's not obnoxious, but there's enough growl to let everyone know you didn't just buy a truck, you bought an SS. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts fast and smooth, and you get paddle shifters if you want to take over. Rear-wheel drive is standard for the SS, but you can opt for AWD if you live somewhere where the weather gets unpredictable. That said, purists will probably want to stick with RWD for the proper SS experience. Handling-wise, the S10 SS is tight, planted, and confident. Chevy retuned the suspension with stiffer springs and performance dampers, and it shows. The body roll is minimal, cornering is sharp, and the steering is nicely weighted. It feels dialed in, not floaty like some trucks in this class. Whether you're carving through city streets or cruising down country roads, the S10 SS stays composed. It's actually fun to drive, and how often can you say that about a pickup? Inside, Chevy made sure the SS feels special. You get SS-branded sport seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. The seats are surprisingly supportive, great for long drives and spirited runs alike. The 2026 S10 lineup gets a refreshed interior overall, but the SS trim brings in more personality. The digital gauge cluster is sharp and customizable, and there's a big 13.4-inch touchscreen in the center with the latest Chevy infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and even an available Bose premium sound system, it's all here. Tech is clean, intuitive, and doesn't distract from the driving. Space-wise, the S10 SS comes as a crew cab with a short bed, which is perfect for someone who wants passenger comfort and still needs utility. The rear seats are usable for adults, and you get under-seat storage for tools or gear. In the bed, Chevy added a spray-in bed liner, multiple tie-down points, and even optional LED lighting. It's practical, not just a toy. Fuel economy. Well, you're pushing performance here, so don't expect Prius numbers. But Chevy managed a decent 22 mpg city, 27 mpg highway with the 2.7L turbo engine in RWD form. It's reasonable considering the power and size. Towing and payload. You're still getting truck-level capability. The S10 SS can tow up to 6,000 pounds, and payload is around 1,300 pounds, more than enough for weekend toys, dirt bikes, or a small trailer. So even though this is the sportier version, Chevy didn't strip away the workhorse DNA. As for safety, the S10 SS is well equipped. You've got forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Optional extras include adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, which is super handy in tight spaces. All the modern driver assist tech you'd expect in 2026 is here. Pricing is surprisingly reasonable. The 2026 S10 SS starts around $38,000, which puts it in the sweet spot between a standard midsize truck and a full-on performance SUV. Fully loaded, you're looking at about $45,000, which honestly still feels like a solid deal for what you're getting. It undercuts the Ford Ranger Raptor and even some of the V6 Tacomas while offering a sharper on-road experience. So, who's this truck for? It's for the guy or girl who grew up with posters of muscle trucks and sport compacts but now wants something grown-up that still rips. It's for folks who want something different, something that can haul mulch one day and hit the twisty roads the next. It's also for the daily commuter who just wants a little excitement at every stoplight. The S10 SS isn't trying to be everything for everyone, but it nails the performance street truck vibe better than anything else out there right now. Bottom line, the 2026 Chevy S10 SS is a legit return to form. It's fast, fun, practical, and stylish. It brings back that cool factor we haven't seen in small trucks for years. Chevy took a risk bringing the SS badge back to a compact pickup, but they did it right. And for anyone who wants a truck with attitude and actual driving fun baked in, this one deserves a serious look. That's a wrap on the S10 SS review. What do you think? Would you take this over a Tacoma or Maverick? Or are you still waiting on Ram to jump into the game? Drop a comment, hit like, and make sure you're subscribed to Furious Cars. We've got a ton more rides coming your way.